Why 3DMP? What about speed?
3DMP has cut our delivery times drastically. 3DMP is a revolution in terms of producing parts very quickly. 3DMP lets you skip traditional prototyping, allowing you to print final parts instead. The process chain is also shortened by being able to build graded components. Combining hard and soft materials is a true advantage. What used to take hours and days to repair can now be automated by 3DMP. The benefit of the 3DMP process is high-speed output of large-scale components.
Well done, 3DMP.